Hello there and welcome to Linux S2, and in this video guide I'm going to show you how you can play Windows games on Linux using Steam. So let me show you how Steam works and how you can play games using Steam on different platforms. So let me open up my Steam over here. And I'm going to click on any of the popular game. So I'm just going to search for Arc over here. So if I click on the Arc game, then you will see these three icons over here. That means the game can be played on Windows, Mac and Steam. Steam means even if you are using Steam on Linux, then you will be able to play this game. However, if I search for any other game, for example a very Indian origin game, Razi. So if I click on it, then you can see only the Windows icon is over here. That means it can only be played on Windows if you are using Steam. You cannot play this game on Mac or Linux. But this new feature, you can play Windows only game on Linux as well. So how you can enable these features? For that, you just click on the Steam button over here, then go to the settings. In the settings, you wanna go to the bottom and click on the Steam Play option. And here you should have this tick enabled by default. If it is not enabled, then simply tick mark it and enable it. After that, you have to go to the advanced section and you have to enable this feature over here as well. So this will basically enable the Proton support in your Steam. So if I take over here, it will select the latest available version of the Proton, and then you can simply click OK and settings will save. So now if I try to play this game, so first I have to download the game and then it will do some kind of setup. It will download some kind of files and utilities that are required in order to run this Windows game on Linux using Steam. So I can click on play game and this will do all kind of setup. So this game is around 1.8 gigabytes. So I'm going to download this game. So it will take some time to download the game. So I'm going to play a game from my collection. So if I go here and I'm going to click on this Brawlhalla. So you can see this game is only available for Windows and Mac and it is not available for Linux. But as I've enabled the Proton feature in the Steam, then I can also play this game on Linux. So I have already downloaded the game and I'm just going to hit the play button and this should start the game. And here is the game up and running on Linux. And this is not available for Linux by default. I mean, the developers has not developed it for that. But with this Steam and with the new feature that is over there, you can play this game on Linux as well.
She is so young.
A child. Remember Shiva's words.
It is so much weight to put on the shoulders of a mortal. Is this one strong enough?
Time will tell.
So this was the guide on how you can play Windows only games on Linux using Steam. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, then leave it a like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. And I shall catch you in the next one. Till then, take care and keep enjoying Linux.